Why I'm So Frugal, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, the owner of the famous investment firm Berkshire Hathaway and one of the richest people in the world, still practices frugal living habits daily, even though he doesn't need to. The burning question that we've all spent a lot of time researching is, why is Warren Buffett so frugal? In this video, we'll share the answer, and it'll likely surprise you. He understands what homes are for. Despite being able to own several homes that are significantly larger and grander than the one he owns, Warren Buffett chooses to live in the very first home he bought back in 1958. Some people are likely scratching their heads as to why he'd do such a thing. Warren Buffett would respond that the home he lives in fits his needs perfectly, and there's no reason he would need to upgrade to a larger one. This mindset is the epitome of frugal living. He realizes that his home is simply to live in, and that he doesn't need to upgrade just for the sake of upgrading. Food is for nourishment. It's becoming more and more popular to see food treated as an excessive art form, which makes it look astoundingly beautiful, but also unbelievably expensive. However, if you're a billionaire, it's likely you can see yourself splurging on these fancy meals, since it wouldn't even be noticeable spending. But Warren Buffett says otherwise because of frugal living. For him, food is simply for nourishment, and as long as it tastes good and allows him to feel satisfied, then he's happy. In Warren Buffett's case, that means a lovely McDonald's meal and a Coke. A car is used for transportation. Some cars look really cool with tons of gadgets that you don't even know what to do with. But that's exactly what makes it easy to forget what you really buy a car for. Warren Buffett says he only travels about 3,500 miles a year, and thus he likes to buy cars that are very high quality but at marked down prices. This frugal living mindset has kept him grounded and given him value out of the cars he purchases without having to spend, despite having the ability to do so, on things and functions he doesn't really need. Entertain yourself for free. Warren Buffett is known for having two hobbies. The first is that he loves playing the card game bridge, and the second is that he loves playing the ukulele. Both of these hobbies are extremely inexpensive, but can make someone really happy. In fact, Warren Buffett has said if he was thrown into jail and had 3 cellmates he could play bridge with, he wouldn't mind it at all. A great frugal living habit to build, even if you are wealthy, is to live life for what it has to offer outside of money, as Warren Buffett does. Value friends for company, not money. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have a very close friendship that some may not be aware of. In fact, Bill Gates goes as far to say that Warren Buffett really helped him understand the value of friendship. The reason he said this is because Warren Buffett follows the frugal living mantra, where he doesn't like to give large and expensive gifts. He opts to take the frugal living route and show his friends value through his company, time spent, and experiences shared. Despite being able to give his friends whatever they want, he wants to show he cares through his actions rather than the money he has. Remember what a phone is for? There are likely many of you who can remember the time when cell phones really became a thing. For that reason, Warren Buffett hasn't hopped on the smartphone bandwagon until 2020. Simply put, even though Warren Buffett could buy hundreds of thousands of smartphones with his wealth, he only likes to buy something if there's an actual use for him. And this is a great frugal living habit to follow. In this case, a phone is meant to contact other people via text or through a phone call. The rest of the gadgets that a phone has is really useless for him. So, the next time you're looking to upgrade your phone, think about what a phone really means to you and what apps you feel you need in your life. Clothes are meant to be worn. Some people may argue that clothes are also meant for style, but the bottom line is that they're really meant to protect our bodies from the warmth of the sun, the rain, and the stinging cold of winter. Warren Buffett realizes this frugal living tip and, in his case, only gets suits from one tailor from China. He got a really nice fitting done from her many moons ago, and ever since that time he's been continuously sent suits from her. He believes that quality will always trump a brand name, and that his suits are really just meant to be worn. As long as they look good, hold themselves together, and are comfortable, that's where you'll see his money go. See how to make the most of what you have. We've all been subjected and programmed into developing a consumerist mindset, but unfortunately, that can cause us to spend tons of money. Fortunately, Warren Buffett learned the value of frugal living early on in his life and making the most of what he has. There are 2 instances where Warren Buffett's frugal living habits shined. The first is when he converted an old dresser into a baby crib for his first child, and then borrowed another crib from a friend for his second child. Even though Warren Buffett could buy the fanciest crib available on the market, he opts to give his children just what they needed and didn't buy needlessly. So, you've learned why Warren Buffett is so frugal in his life, but you're still wondering what frugal living tips he practices to build the massive wealth he has. Fortunately, we've made a video on 15 Warren Buffett's smartest frugal living habits you need to start ASAP, so that you can know why you're frugal and practice it every day to build wealth. Click here for the best results you want.